Hello, this is Ruabza. Honestly, this is one of my most favorite and the most uncomfortable topics to talk about. But so, I've been wearing hijab from the past 8 years. I started wearing hijab when I was 14, and from then on till now, I still struggle with it. There are days जहाँ पे I know my iman is not perfect, so I keep feeling this, thinking whether should I remove it, and it's okay. Struggling with hijab is okay. So there are family events, there are weddings, there are cousins outing where I don't wear it. And before anyone comes at me, I just want to say कि I know hijab is first. Hijab is not a choice. Hijab is first, the same way praying namaz is first. The reason why it's first, that is exactly the reason why it is so tough. Because हर वो चीज़ जो तुम पे mandatory है, you have to perform it in Islam, it tests you not once, every single day. See, trust me, no human is perfect. No human can just wake up every single day and not feel lazy to offer namaz. So the same happens with girls, with women who are hijabis. Not every day you'll feel, the urge to, oh, I'm just going to wear my hijab and go out. Sometimes you'll feel ugly. Sometimes you'll feel you're not enough in this hijab. But that is the thing. This is what farz is, something which tests you daily. And I just want to say one thing: Allah does not ask for perfection, Allah asks for consistency. And as long as I'm wearing this hijab with this niyyah that, oh, I'm doing it for the Lord, nothing is wrong with it. Also, I've seen people having this certain perception of hijabi women. See, in Islam, you are encouraged to always perceive people in a good light, no matter whether that woman is wearing a hijab or not. Wearing hijab does not make me a perfect Muslim. Uh, Wearing hijab also does not make me a representative of Islam. Islam is perfect. I am not. Hijab is obedience, not a certificate of purity. And I also want to say I am a sinner. I know it. I have sinned in so many ways. So wearing the hijab feels like the smallest thing I can do as a Muslim. Even if I'm struggling, even if I'm inconsistent with it, you are allowed to advise me. You are allowed to remind me when I'm going wrong. But you don't get the pass to judge me and tell me that taking it off is easier or better, saying that I'm not doing it properly. Of course, it's my duty to learn from the critics, to learn from whatever advice I'm getting, to strive to be a better person every single day. But these are just some examples of even hijabi women who are wrong at least somewhere. So when someone comes at you, someone critiques you, someone advises you, your duty is to accept it. I have learned that accepting is the easier way to get through it. When someone comes at me and tells me your hijab is not perfect, you're doing it wrong, I accept that and I pray कि may one day I get the proper, guidance to do it properly. But instead of justifying it or saying that person, oh, you're wrong, you don't have the right to judge me, a lot of the times people are not judging, they're just advising. So from the other end also, we have to understand it that not everyone is here to judge you or to pass comments on you. Some people are just advising you. The most easiest way to make it, understand to people is that when someone prays namaz, and a lot of the times people tend to skip it. You don't wake up every single day and not be lazy to offer namaz. We feel laziness, we feel a kind of, there are moments where you feel, oh, I don't really feel like, offering namaz right now. So people tend to skip it. Just because someone skips their salat once, twice, or no matter how many times, you just don't go up to them and tell them, oh, it's better you don't pray only. You never do that, because we never know what Allah likes about that person. So in the same way, if a hijabi woman is not consistent with it, you somewhere you have to appreciate it that she is trying. When you go and you tell a woman remove your hijab if you can't wear it properly, are we not accountable to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? And if it is, and we are going to answer for our deeds, then why do we keep saying this to hijabi women to remove it, to remove it? Allah asks for sincerity, Allah asks for effort. I know my hijab is not perfect, I know my hijab is not proper, but I'm not rejecting it. Struggle does not cancel iman, and sometimes struggle is iman. So I just hope and pray that may Allah guide us all with mercy and not humiliation.